We have some more breaking news coming in. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia has written to Lieutenant Governor L-G Saxena on deteriorating law and order in the capital and has raised Ranjit Nagar murder case, and he has also called Delhi the capital of crimes. Sisodia has further asked the LG to take stock of the situation. So this comes after a young man was beaten to death in an alleged communal clash in the national capital. The incident took place when Nitesh and his two friends indulged in a brawl with three men of another community. The three men brutally thrashed Nitesh and his friends, after which they were taken to a nearby hospital where unfortunately one of them, Nitesh, succumbed to his injuries. The accused were identified as Ufiza, Adnan and Abbas, and a murder case has also been registered against them. My colleague Rupashri is joining us on phone. Rupashri, can you give us more details on this? How is the police probing this case and what is the latest update in the case?
Well, what we know is that Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia actually shot off a letter to the Lieutenant Governor yesterday. And in that letter, Manish Sisodia did not mince any words. In fact, he said that Delhi has, it seems as if Delhi has become the crime capital of the country. And lawbreakers or criminals have no fear of the law. And that, under the constitution, the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi is responsible for maintaining law and order situation in the national capital, and Delhi police reports directly to the Lieutenant Governor. And therefore, it would be good if the Lieutenant Governor actually pays some attention to the law and order situation in Delhi also. So that was a tongue-in-cheek remark by Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, because Aam Aadmi Party has always alleged that Assistant Governor Vinay Saxena is always focused more on unearthing corruption cases against or targeting Aam Aadmi Party leaders instead of focusing on the deteriorating law and order situation in the national capital. Following that, actually, there have been more arrests. Also, Delhi police have also come out with a clarification as it has been reported by our other colleagues. It remains to be seen how the situation develops, because remember, the BJP now is targeting the Aam Aadmi Party on the death of this young person, and BJP leaders are also reaching the house of this person called Nitesh, and BJP is also trying to make that into a political issue. It remains to be seen whether the Aam Aadmi Party actually, if it can really do something or galvanize a protest against the Delhi police, given the fact that it is itself in a lot of trouble with many of its ministers now facing allegations. Remember that two of the Aam Aadmi Party ministers are already out of the Delhi cabinet technically. Satyendra Jain is in jail. Rajendra Pal Gautam has already resigned, and today Manish Sisodia is going to be questioned by the CBI. So not a very comfortable position for the Aam Aadmi Party to be in. But the party is trying to capitalize on this issue and is trying to turn this crisis into an opportunity, but it remains to be seen whether it is successful in that or not.
Right, Rupashri. So Sisodia has claimed that the government's focus is now on the Gujarat polls and defaming AAP government rather than monitoring the situation. And of course, the crimes in the capital have been on a rise. So is this claim correct?
Well, if you look at the sequence of the number of cases that have been mentioned by the Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia in his letter, certainly, Delhi is, in terms of crime, it doesn't have anything to be really proud of. Where is the lapse is something that will have to be really decided. It is difficult for anybody to say that it's because the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi is focused more on Aam Aadmi Party leaders, therefore the situation, law and order situation in the national capital is deteriorating. Remember, Aam Aadmi Party is a political party, and this is a political charge. And the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi also, we have not heard from his office yet on this latest letter that the Deputy Chief Minister has shot off to the Lieutenant Governor. But it is a fact that the law and order situation in the capital is nothing to be proud of, considering that it is the capital of the country. It does need more attention.
Right, Rupashri.